we're just here to kind of just look.
Oh,
Feel good?
I found the one.
That's good.
It's this.
What's that?
Yeah. Take a seat. It's like you sink into it.
Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, you can watch a movie,
Yeah.
eat your popcorn.
Take a nap. What the heck?
Okay, this living spaces is nuts.
Look at that play place. I want to go play in that.
And they have a full bar over there. Oh, this
is
place
like-
is wild.
I want to go get a drink and then go play.
This one's a cool one.
Ooh.
It's got the one bench and then the 4 chairs.
I like this. The table feels plasticky though.
Honestly,
I think it is plastic.
yeah,
It
Like some
sounds
vinyl?
hollow.
it's probably.
Oh, you know what? You're right. I think it's like a vinyl on it.
Guys, I think we found our table. Nice,
And-
clean surface.
Less than 1,000.
Less than 1,000.
Ooh, I like it.
Comes with the couch side too. Good cushion, good support, not wobbly.
I really like it. I like the color too.
Yeah, color's pretty nice. Pretty nice.
I'm looking at the lights. I love, this. I love Edison. So vintage, but chic. Oh, you can't even see, it's so bright. It's the Pixar lamps. Boinka, 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 boink. I wish I could paint. Whoa. Don't step on my rug, take your shoes off. Mirrors. Those are bright lights, dang. But they seem unnecessary. I don't understand what you would use that for. Got decorations, trees. Ooh, alarm clocks. I'm just filming to film at this point. I'm awkward. People are looking at me. I'm just going in circles.
Yo, like these lights are. I don't know. I like these lights.
Strike what I said earlier. They do make sense. Because look,
Whoa,
it's a charging table.
that's sick. That's cool. Well, I didn't even notice the
Ah.
USB port right there.
Let me just charge my phone for a little bit while we're here. All right, so tell me where your troubles start.
It all started when I put a cherry up my butthole and
Oh.
ate it in the 5th grade. Just kidding. I never did that.
The material.
I think we found Haley's favorite.
The material is literally a blanket.
Let me see.
It's nice.
That's cool. Dang, how far back does it go?
I'm gonna fall. Why does anyone need to go this far back?
That's cool.
I don't like it.
We're at IKEA.
Yeah!
It's sunny.
Very sunny.
I would say I like IKEA because they put a whole set decoration on.
It kind of gives
So
you
you-
more perspective of what something could look like in an area, in the space.
Exactly.
I like that. And if anything, can kind of give you like motivation and just ideas for your creative space.
Pretty much.
Like, I'm gonna be honest, I would probably never do this in my living room. But now that I know what it looks like, I'm glad I don't ever have to try it. The office.
This looks like a room you'd like.
Hey, Carl.
Look at all the plants everywhere.
I like it. Let me just Oh. Therapy.
What's on your mind today? What do you want to talk about?
Meatballs. I'm addicted to meatballs. That's very comfy. You should try it.
That's so cool. This is actually a pretty cozy room.
Yeah. I love the plants. And I like the color of the walls.
Yeah. It makes you feel calm in here.
Yes. Therapy room. You should try it out though. That's very comfy.
The bed?
Yeah.
Or the couch?
The little couch thing.
Oh, it is comfy.
Right? Immediately passes out.
All right, let's move on. So we're really impressed with this kitchen. Look at this. It's got your own little coffee station. Tons of storage.
Jeez. Jeez. It's the anti-slam doors.
Oh. That's sweet.
Oh, we like that.
If you need to know something, you really should prefer a gas-powered stove just in case the power goes out. This chair is really nice.
Save the turtles.
Yo, is this a cozy shark?
I feel like that's a really cozy experience right there. Oh my God! It's a cozy stego! Aww.
3 hours later.
Alright, thanks guys for checking out this video. I hope it was a good, cozy, and quick and short video for you guys to pass by the time. Again, if you have nothing to do, honestly, go to furniture stores, honestly, go to just any store in general, and just look at the things you're interested in. Electronics, cameras, such as that, but that's an easy thing for us to do when we're bored. If you have a private room karaoke place near you, I say check that out. I don't like singing in front of strangers. So obviously I was singing in front of my friends, so karaoke is a good choice. But yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I hope to catch you in the next cozy experience. Be sure to like and subscribe so you stay up to date on all of our videos. I upload every Monday and Friday. So yeah, catch you in the next one. Peace.